This is the very typical 3-ton per day capacity tube ice plant. We can see the 3-ton per day capacity tube ice machine is located on a higher level, so its ice outlet is higher than this ice packing hopper. So how much for this 3-ton per day capacity tube ice plant? Okay, $17,500 for the ice machine and the steel frame. $2,500 for the ice packing hopper. It is $20,000 in total. Beside the ice machine and ice packing hopper, we also suggest the customer to invest for one pure water machine with a capacity of 1,000 liters per hour and one cold room. About the cold room, the bigger the better. For example, you can take one cold room with the ice storage capacity of a 20 ton of our ice package, and that kind of ice room will be $7,000. So it's going to cost $30,000 in total to set up one 3-ton per day capacity tube ice plant, and that includes everything: the ice machine, steel frame, ice packing hopper, pure water machine, and cold room. We're going to load everything inside one 40-feet container. Later, I'm going to make video to show ice coming out from the machine so we can focus on the quality of the ice made by the machine. Okay, the machine is defreezing. Ice is coming out. Okay, let's get close to the ice outlet.